Hey, it's part two with seared mustard. The seared pork with beer mustard. As you can see, blood is coming out, so that means it's time to flip over. It's kind of cemented on this side, but we're really going to see the difference when we flip everything over. Now, you can flip it over a little bit quicker than that. That's your business, but I like, to make sure everything's nice and cooked all the way. You can see the vegetables are about done. They're nice and seared themselves. So it's basically right now all we're doing is getting the other side. Make sure to move these around a little bit if you don't want it seared as much as it is right here. It's not burnt, it's just that the mustard heats up that quickly. That's why it's very extremely important that it's thawed all the way through, so it's very quick to flip it over. And this is also the first batch, so it took a longer time for it to sear. And once it's the other batches go through, it won't be as brown as this because it'll be a faster coming in and out. So as you can see, that's all you're really doing. Now you can serve this with rice or potatoes, because obviously Oktoberfest potatoes. But pork chops with these is rice and bread. You top it all over with the vegetables, and it looks really good. So here's a quick, easy meal in a very quick amount of time. We're going to show a little meal of everything chopped up together, and we'll see you next time.